Hey guys, I'm Danielle Hawkins and I'm a nursing student here at Tennessee Tech. I chose to pursue a degree in nursing because I have a passion for helping others. I really enjoy helping others not only physically but mentally and spiritually. And I believe that nursing is a holistic career that can provide that type of care for others. And I'm really excited to serve in our healthcare community. Follow me to figure out why nursing school here at Tech is fun. So I typically start my morning off with a cup of coffee and I go through my planner just to see what the day holds. And then I also take some time just to gather my thoughts and have some quiet time to myself. I'm about to head out to the library to work on some schoolwork. I have biosimulation tomorrow, so they've posted some modules on iLearn that we can walk through and just prepare for class and simulation tomorrow, as well as a pre-quiz just to make sure that we have understood the material before we're going into simulation. I just finished bioterrorism simulation and it went really well. I really like the way they had this simulation set up. They allow the students to be ER nurses. The students are faced with a patient that has been chemically harmed. Our patient started having a seizure, so we had to administer the proper medication for that, turn him quickly onto his side, remove anything in his bed that could possibly harm him. As soon as we got him stabilized, his heart rate dropped. I think it's really important that students get to see how nurses interact in a critical environment, and this is a really good simulation to show that. A lot of times students don't get to see that until they're actually in the field working as a nurse. So overall, I really like this simulation and I hope you guys too.
So I just finished running. I normally run every day. It's a good stress reliever for me, especially after a day in nursing school. I like to listen to music and just have some time to myself.
Hey guys, so it's 6:30. I just finished getting ready for clinical. I've got on my purple scrubs, my white lab coat. We wear our tech name badge at all times during clinical. I have my stethoscope around my neck, always wear a watch to clinical. And then I carry with me in my bag a notepad to take notes on, a pen, a pencil, my pen light, my hammer, and then I carry some lotion just because you wash your hands a lot during clinical. Then I have some alcohol pads just as a backup. So now I'm getting ready. I actually have my first job interview today, so I'm really excited about that. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing for my interview. I'm wearing black pants with a black blazer and a patterned shirt. During your senior year of nursing school, you will take a class called Leadership and Management. This class prepares you for job interviews, and they will also coach you on how to prepare a resume. This is the resume I'll be taking with me today to my job interview. Now I'm heading into the hospital for my interview. Wish me luck. Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and give you a little update. I heard back from Cookeville Regional and I got the job, so I'm super excited about that. I have a position in the labor and delivery department. I'm looking forward to the opportunities it brings to my life, and I think it'll be super awesome just getting to work with all the sweet mamas and babies. So guys, that's what a day in the life of a nursing student looks like. Thank you guys so much for tagging along with me. I hope you have a great experience here at Tech. Wings up.